Today we're looking at a variant of our DTP04 side shift drum depalletizer. This variant beneath the lifter has a 300mm clearance for going over the top of drum bunds. This yellow bund in front of us, what we're going to do, we're going to place the drum at the back of the bund. First of all, we'll lift the drum up. We're already connected, we just have to pump the handle to raise the drum up. We've now got adequate clearance, so I'm just going to manoeuvre this backwards. Manoeuvre it forwards over the bund. Checking my clearance on each side. And we'll stop about there. What you can see is the whole lifter is over the top of this bund. So this bund's about 280mm tall, and we have 300mm of clearance underneath. It's really useful, this product, when you've got a bund with 4 drums and you want to access the drums at the back and you need the lifter to go over and straddle over that bund. Now we're here, we can lower down. And once we're lowered, I can remove the catch, move the unit backwards. You can see this unit's quite wide. This unit's wide enough to go around a 1250mm pallet. We can make this width adjustable for smaller pallets, and we can also adjust the height beneath the unit for different bund heights.